Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The video I want to share with you today, which by the way I absolutely love, I hope the change I made right at the tail end of the video is something that did not make you pull your hair out. It was a tough call, but I had to do it. And I won't say much and build the suspense, but by golly, the last 2 minutes or less of this video just completely changed the game. Which actually it brings me to the tip of the week before I get started on sharing the video art with you. And that tip is to use the tools we have, our phones, our printers, to make sure the progression of the art is in line with what you are comfortable with. Because just painting, especially on a pour that you can't, once you put paint on the pour, you can't really retract the paint. Especially in this particular case of fluid art and doing art on top of fluid art, it's such a good idea to keep taking snapshots, marking it up, making sure it is in line with what you want to do, and then proceed. So anyway, you'll see that I do that twice in this video. It really saved my beautiful pour that I had to begin with. Anyway, so that's my tip. Also, I just wanted to let you know that I know I've been trying my best to release weekly videos. For the next month or two, I think I have to scale that back and do a video every 2 weeks. I have some commissions that I'm working on that I need to focus on. They're pretty large, so capturing it on camera is just not going to be easy to do, so I'm just not going to stress about that. And hence, I won't be able to have videos to share with you. I'll try, but I don't want to promise anything. So in general, I'm going to be switching to once every 2 week format through August, at least through August. But hope that doesn't disappoint you too much. And I hope you enjoy the video you're about to see today. Thank you so much for watching. So what I'm planning to do here is do 4 blooms, maybe 5. Actually, I'll do 5 blooms. And then I'm using a gold cell activator that I made this morning. So I don't like this white. Depending on how it dries, I may even put the lady here just to cover up all the white. Yeah, I like that.